Welcome to Libertex. Bitcoin stunned the world with a lightning-fast run-up to new all-time highs, touching $41,962 on January 8th. Bitcoin has earned its nickname as digital gold, and many traders and analysts are confident in another bull run around the corner, even after a heavy pullback. After such extraordinary rallies, pullbacks are to be expected, and between January 10th and 11th, Bitcoin lost nearly 21% of its newly obtained value in the process. Now, Bitcoin is rising again, and many traders are skeptical about whether or not Bitcoin will be able to sustain its value. We know that the pullback was largely influenced by the strengthening US dollar. The political uncertainty and turbulence experienced in the first week of January was one of the primary reasons Bitcoin shot up in value, as money transitioned out of the US dollar and into Bitcoin as a safe haven asset. The pullback, therefore, was caused by a reversal of this trend after fears calmed. As Bitcoin remains the dominant force amongst cryptocurrencies, money poured into Bitcoin and accelerated this historical run-up. New uncertainties, paired with more and more investors storing their money into Bitcoin instead of the more traditional haven assets like gold and silver, signal that Bitcoin could see another bull run in the short term. After all, Bitcoin is still king of the crypto world. Even with the correction, Bitcoin is still up by approximately 89% since last month, and there are still compelling reasons to believe that Bitcoin will rise throughout 2021 and into the future. There are many reasons to believe the bulls will see more days with Bitcoin, especially after JP Morgan just came out and predicted that Bitcoin's price could eventually reach $146,000 and become preferred over gold for institutional investors. Many analysts believe that blockchain will comprise an increasingly dominant role in the way money is exchanged and used from here on out, and that we are only seeing the beginning of what can be in store for Bitcoin. For those bullish on Bitcoin, this is more or less a necessary correction for Bitcoin to lay off some steam after a phenomenal rally to prepare for the next one. Let's take a look at the technical chart for Bitcoin to better understand the support and resistance levels and what we can possibly expect from here on out.
From a technical perspective, we have a couple of reasons to be bullish on Bitcoin. First of all, looking at the MACD line, when we had similar crossovers with the blue MACD line under the red signaling line, that gave us opportunities to re-enter into that bull run. Additionally, similarly, when we had drops in the relative strength index under the overbought territory of 70 towards the level of 50, like we had just recently, that gave us new opportunities to re-enter and participate into that bull run. So the way that I'm reading the current daily chart, over 34,500 opportunities for long positions, we targeted 36,500. If that level is clear, then we can retest the all-time highs around 42,000 and then subsequently try into the new territories around the 45,000 mark. Conversely, the downside seems to be limited with fairly robust support around the 32,000 area. However, despite the latest bull run in Bitcoin, its overall market cap is still smaller than that of the 8 largest companies in the world, including Tesla. Therefore, still a lot of institutional money will need to flow into Bitcoin in order for the market to fully mature. Consequently, it's not surprising that some of the price estimates believe that Bitcoin is going to reach 100,000 within 2021, and analysts from JP Morgan believe that it can go as high as 146,000.